Checking out a new voice cloning and text-to-speech application called Fish Audio. This tool allows for free voice cloning with high accuracy and speed. It's possible to clone and use any voice. These are pre-existing cloned voices. I'm on the Discovery section, which functions as the main page. We can see all the voices various users have already cloned. We have access to any of these voices without needing to clone our own. However, it is possible to clone your own voice, or any voice you choose. Let me demonstrate the process. There's a text-to-speech tab. Input any text and have the chosen voice model speak your voice. As you can see, the first options are public, unlisted, and private. With public, once the voice is cloned, it will be discoverable on the Discovery section for anyone to use. This is assuming you clone the voice under the public option. Unlisted voices can be used by anyone with the link. It won't be on the Discovery section or publicly visible. Alternatively, choose private, limiting use to yourself. So, we'll select private, and I'm going to click on name. And then proceed below. We have the choice to upload audio for voice cloning, or directly record 20 seconds. Now, I can enter any text. Now, I'm going to navigate to Select Voice Model. We can select from publicly available cloned voices, but I'll choose my voice since this stores your cloned voice. I want to inform you, there are only 2 subscription options, free and premium. The free plan provides 1 hour of audio per month, completely free of charge. Voice cloning is free, and 1 hour of audio is also included with the premium account. It's straightforward. It is either free or $6 for unlimited.